Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your skin just looks tired, dull, uneven? And no matter how many products you try, that natural glow still feels out of reach. What if I told you that one of the most powerful skin brightening ingredients may already be sitting in your kitchen? Not in a fancy bottle, not in an expensive cream, but in a fresh root that looks almost like ginger. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful fresh turmeric soap that can help brighten the look of your skin, improve the appearance of uneven tone, and leave your face and body feeling soft, clean, and refreshed. And the best part is this: once you understand this process, you can make multiple soap bars from just one base soap and a few simple ingredients. So stay with me, because the way this soap comes together at the end is incredibly satisfying. Before we begin, please remember that turmeric can stain, and everyone's skin is different, so always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Now let's get into it. The star of this recipe is fresh turmeric. Fresh turmeric looks very similar to ginger, so a lot of people confuse the two. But this golden root is famous in skincare because of its antioxidant and soothing properties. It is often used in beauty remedies to help improve the appearance of dark spots, blemishes, and uneven-looking skin. That is exactly why it works so well in a brightening soap like this. The first thing you want to do is peel the turmeric, and this is where you need to be careful. Turmeric has a very strong yellow pigment, and it can stain your fingers, nails, countertops, and even cloth. That's why wearing gloves is a smart move. Yes, the stains may fade after a few washes, but if you want to avoid that stress completely, gloves are your best friend. Once the turmeric is peeled, the next step is to grate it. You can use a small grater for this, or if you do not have one, you can finely chop it with a knife. The goal is to break it down into tiny pieces so it becomes easier to dry and blend later. Now here's a step many people may skip, but it makes a big difference if you are using fresh turmeric instead of powdered turmeric. You need to dry it. Spread the grated turmeric on parchment paper, foil, or any heat-safe surface. If you live in a sunny place, you can dry it naturally in the sun. If you have a dehydrator, even better. But if you don't have either one, you can use your oven on the lowest possible setting. The key here is low heat. You do not want to burn the turmeric. You just want to slowly remove the moisture. If there is too much water left in it, your soap may not turn out the way you want, so be patient with this step. Once the turmeric is fully dried, transfer it into a blender. At this point, if you feel like the amount is too small, you can add a little powdered turmeric to boost it. Then add your favorite carrier oil. This part is important because the oil helps pull out the goodness of the turmeric while also making the mixture more skin-friendly. You can use almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, or any oil that works well for your skin. In the original method, almond oil was used, and it is a great option because it feels nourishing and gentle on the skin. Blend the dried turmeric and oil together until the mixture becomes smooth and rich. Notice that no extra water is needed here. The oil is doing the work. Now let's move to the base soap. You can use a plain soap base, Dove soap, Premier soap, or another mild bathing soap. To help it melt faster, grate the soap into tiny pieces. The smaller the pieces, the easier and faster it melts. Next, prepare a double boiler. That simply means placing a heat-safe bowl over a pot of hot water. Add your grated soap into the bowl and let the heat slowly soften it. This method helps melt the soap gently without burning it. At this stage, you can also add a few drops of vitamin E oil if you have it. This step is optional, but it gives the soap an extra luxurious touch. Then pour in your blended turmeric mixture. You can even rinse the blender with a little hot water and add that in too, so none of the turmeric mixture goes to waste. Stir everything gently as the soap melts. Do not stir too aggressively because you do not want too much foam or lather forming during the melting process. As the mixture heats up, something beautiful starts to happen. The grated soap slowly dissolves, the turmeric blends into it, and the whole thing turns into this rich, golden mixture that already looks like skincare magic. After around 30 minutes, the soap should be fully melted. Now here's where you decide what kind of product you want. If you want a liquid soap or shower gel, you can add more water and thin it out. But if you want solid soap bars, then stop right there. That thicker consistency is exactly what you need. Before pouring it into molds, strain the mixture through a sieve. This step is very important because it removes any lumps or bits that did not fully dissolve. You want your final soap to look smooth, clean, and well finished. Now pour the strained soap into your soap mold. And honestly, this is one of the most satisfying parts of the whole process, because at this point, you can already see that you're not just making soap, you are creating a homemade beauty treatment. Leave it alone for a few hours to cool and harden, and when it finally solidifies, you'll see the reward for your patience: beautiful golden turmeric soap bars. In the original process, one base soap was enough to make about 6 soap tablets, which means this recipe can go a long way. Now let's talk about how to use it. You can use this soap on your body during your bath, and you can also use it on your face if your skin tolerates turmeric well. Simply wet the soap, rub it gently between your hands or onto your skin, and cleanse as usual. For a more intensive treatment, some people like to apply the lather to the face and leave it on briefly before rinsing. But please be careful with this, especially if your skin is sensitive. Start slowly, patch test first, and discontinue use if irritation occurs. What makes this soap so special isn't just the turmeric, it's the combination of simple ingredients, the homemade care, the richness of the oil, and the satisfaction of knowing exactly what went into your skincare. No mystery ingredients, no overpriced promises, just a simple DIY beauty recipe with a rich golden glow. So the next time your skin looks dull, uneven, or tired, remember this recipe, because sometimes the most effective glow-boosting solutions are not the most expensive ones. They are the ones made with intention, with patience, and with ingredients nature has been offering all along. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you would try this turmeric soap for your face, your body, or both. And if you want more powerful DIY skincare recipes made from simple ingredients at home, stay right here, because the next remedy might be exactly what your skin has been waiting for.